In this video, I want to talk about fairness through unawareness and why that is basically always rejected as a notion of fairness that makes sense. So the idea is very simple. You're going to be trying to build a system that assigns a high or low premium to a person, but you don't get to use any protected characteristics. So here we do not use the gender, for example. We just say, well, we got to use everything else, but not the gender. Of course, the aggression we don't even have, right? But you get to use all of this stuff. Now, the reason this makes no sense is revealed pretty clearly in this causal graph, right? So it might be that you're not using gender, but gender actually causes the person to want or not want to buy a red car. So if you're using red car as a variable, well, that might just be a proxy for gender that you're using, at least in part. So that's basically not going to do it. If it's just one characteristic, and if it's like red car, which is, to be honest, probably not very related to gender at all, there might be slight correlations, then it might be fine. If you're using lots and lots of variables, it's pretty easy to infer sensitive demographic characteristics from the other variables, which means that you're not really being fair, you're just pretending that you're not looking at gender, whereas if the system really wants to do that, it will.